Let's look at a fixed rate bond. First thing you recall is there is a principal. This is the amount that each individual bond, is nominally said to have lent. So you've lent for this piece of paper £100, and that's what you'll get back on maturity. The maturity for this bond or loan stock is 7 years. In other words, in 7 years' time you'll receive interest for the next 7 years, and then in 7 years' time you'll get your principal back. The coupon is 5%. That tells us that the interest payable is 5% of the principal. 5% of £100 is £5 per annum. The redemption yield is the total return that this loan stock is expected to pay, and that's 9%. So we need to find the price. First thing, map out the cash flow. We've got 7 years to go. We've got interest of £5 for each of those 7 years, and then at the end you get your principal back, so you get an extra £100 in year 7. This equates to 2 cash flows. The interest flows is an annuity. It's a fixed amount of money for a fixed period of time. So we need the present value of an annuity. The future value, or the principal, the £100, is just a future value, so we'll simply find the present value of that in a minute. So if we use our annuity tables, we multiply the regular amount, the £5, by the factor from the annuity table. So we look up 9% for 7 years, multiply that by 5, and we find it's £25.16. The principal, we just simply need the present value, so we take the future value, divide by 1 plus I to the n, and we get £5 divided by 1.09 to the power 7, which is £54.70. Add them together and you have a total value for this loan stock of £79.87.